Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can remove the product category slug in WooCommerce. So let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, I am using a TailWeb article for this because I do not have access to WooCommerce due to me not having enough money to purchase the subscription to WordPress or the business plan. Now, I do apologize for not showing you this hands-on, but these steps are very comprehensive and very concise, so I will show you guys with this. Now, what you need to do is to manually remove the product category slug. You need to go into settings and permalinks. Once you're there, you just need to scroll down into the optional section, and in the product category base, you need to enter a single period. Then once you're done with that, just click the Save Changes button at the bottom of the page. You can do that just like that very easily, or you can go over and remove it for already existing products. Again, go into products and all products, and then go into quick edit for any product you want to remove it from. The slug field is typically below the title, and you can easily just find it. You just need to remove the product category term, hit update, and that should be pretty much it. Now you can do it in bulk with add-ons or plugins such as Yoast SEO or Permalink Manager. That is completely up to you. I'm not sure whether they're free or not. However, I do recommend you research them and find one that best fits for you, since they can have quite an impact and make your life very easy, or much easier when it comes to removing these slugs. And that is pretty much it. I do apologize for not showing you this hands-on, but my hands are tied in that regard. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.